Obviously, in the landscape industry, you have different roles. So depending on the role you're filling in the industry, you might require different either skill sets or qualifications. For instance, any crew that's on site, ideally they'd have some horticultural certification, plant identification. First and foremost, obviously, safety for all of our crews because they use equipment and machinery for maintenance. So, and then internally, in terms of like the office people, the more technical skills they have, the better it is to help our team. Basically, anything that requires like plant construction, AutoCAD, other kind of programs that help facilitate those process and presentations to clients. Obviously, there's also the arboriculture department, so any certified arboriculture certification, safety again. I forgot the word, but it's mostly also equipment, machinery and equipment operations, obviously. So again, depending on the role you're filling within the industry, you have different skill sets.